Welcome to our presentation titled Tailoring Behavior Models Based on Gender and Users' Exercise Type Preference, a Social Cognitive Approach. In this presentation, we'll take you through the introduction of behavior modeling as a persuasive strategy, research aim, motivation, method, results, and conclusion. Behavior modeling as a persuasive technique for motivating behavior change has gained traction among fitness apps on the market. According to Bandura's social cognitive theory, people learn new practices from their immediate environment through the observation of the behaviors of other people and their consequences. According to a systematic review carried out by Conroy et al. 2014, 66% of the top-ranked fitness apps on the market provide instructions on how to perform exercise behaviors. Moreover, 53%, that is about half of the apps on the market, provide video-based behavior models that demonstrate how to correctly perform exercise behaviors. However, there is limited research in persuasive technology on the effectiveness of tailoring behavior models based on gender and exercise type preference to amplify the effectiveness of fitness apps on the market. Consequently, using the social cognitive theory, which has been widely employed as a theoretical framework to study behavior change, we investigated the potential effects of tailoring behavior models based on gender and exercise type preference on the social cognitive determinants of behavior, such as perceived self-efficacy, perceived self-regulation, outcome expectation, and projected exercise performance level. We used push-up and squat bodyweight exercises as a case study. Specifically, our study aims to answer the overarching research question: how do the gender and exercise type preference of users of fitness apps moderate the perceived effectiveness of behavior modeling? To answer our research question, we designed a fitness app prototype called Homex app, which features a number of behavior model videos demonstrating the correct performance of push-up and squat bodyweight exercises. In designing the behavior models, we considered gender, race, and exercise type preference. This resulted in 8 versions of the behavior models. 2 of the versions are shown in the slide. Push-up and squat were chosen given that they are commonly a part of home workouts and exercise important muscle groups. Firstly, we asked each study participant to kindly watch one of the 8 videos of behavior models in a randomized fashion. Secondly, we asked them to answer questions on projected exercise performance level, perceived self-efficacy, perceived self-regulation, outcome expectation, and exercise type preference. Regarding exercise type preference, we asked the study participants to identify their most preferred and least preferred bodyweight exercises from a list of 12 commonly featured bodyweight exercises in fitness apps, including push-up and squat. The survey was administered to participants on Amazon Mechanical Turk, a crowdsourcing platform used to recruit research participants. A total of 669 participants were recruited, comprising 51% males and 49% females. The result on exercise type preference shows that males prefer push-up the most, while females prefer it the least. However, females prefer squat the most. The figure in the slide shows the overall mean ratings for perceived self-efficacy, perceived self-regulation, and outcome expectation for both genders and exercise types. Overall, the three social cognitive beliefs were rated above the neutral value of 50%. This is replicated across both genders and exercise types. For example, with respect to self-efficacy, males' mean ratings for push-up and squat are 64.2% and 62.1% respectively, while females' mean ratings are 52.3% and 55.5% respectively. Overall, the mean rating for perceived self-regulation is the highest, followed by that of outcome expectation and that of perceived self-efficacy. We conducted an analysis of variance to uncover how males and females differ with respect to the two exercise types. Regarding perceived self-efficacy, the two-way ANOVA shows that there is no interaction between gender and exercise type. However, there is a main effect of gender, with males having higher perceived self-efficacy than females. With respect to perceived self-regulation and outcome expectation, the two-way ANOVA shows that there is neither a main effect of gender and exercise type, nor an interaction between both factors. Finally, regarding perceived exercise performance level, the two-way ANOVA shows that there is an interaction between gender and exercise type. A further one-way ANOVA for push-up shows that there is a main effect of gender, with males significantly projecting higher exercise performance level than females. However, for squat, there is no significant difference between both genders. Secondly, for females, a further one-way ANOVA shows that there is a main effect of exercise type, with females being more likely to perform squat than push-up. However, for males, there is no significant difference between their projected exercise performance level for both exercise types. In conclusion, males prefer and are more likely to engage in push-up than squat, while females prefer and are more likely to engage in squat than push-up. Females differ significantly in their projected performance levels for push-up and for squat, but males do not. Males have more confidence in their ability, that is, higher perceived self-efficacy to perform body weight exercises than females. Males are more likely to perform higher number of reps per week in body weight exercises than females. Finally, behavior modeling will be more effective if they are tailored based on the gender and exercise type preference of the target group. Thank you for watching.